Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today is I think it's the 9th day. The day when I'm making this video is the 9th day of Chinese New Year 2020. So Appa still wish you all a happy Chinese New Year to you all. And today I'm going to make a dish which is sometime you will see during Chinese New Year. I don't know what it is called, but never mind. But it's going to make from 3 vegetarian dishes. But I won't call these vegetarian dishes today because I'm using chicken stock. If you totally want to make this dish vegetarian, then don't use chicken stock. You can probably use some vegetable stock, okay, instead. So yeah, so what we have here is this thing called zai er. When you bought it, I actually got it from the supermarket, local supermarket, and it usually comes in frozen. You need to go to the frozen department to find this. Zai er, chai go here. Literally, if we translate into English, it is actually mean vegetarian goose meat. Yeah, vegetarian goose meat. It is probably made out of bean, I think, soya bean. So after it is, what I normally do is actually I seldom cook this. This is probably my second time cooking this. So it will come in frozen state. After when you want to use it, take it out at room temperature to let it defrost for about, I think, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then you can take it out pieces by pieces like this, and you can use hot oil to deep fry it. Okay, I will show you in the video later. Yeah, just be careful. It may soak oil, so soak up oil as you deep frying them. So you want to use high heat to fry your zai er. Okay. So after that, I have some very nice mushroom here. Chinese New Year, we always find very good mushrooms in the market. This shiitake mushroom, dry, and this is soaked until it actually blooms up. Okay, so this is soaked for about 1 hour, and it is very beautiful. And first thing after it is softened, you want to remove the center stem. Yeah, remove the center stem because that can be very chewy. Usually Chinese, we don't eat the center stem. You can use it to make some stock also, okay? Right? So it is, as you can see from here, it is very beautiful. Then I have some spinach, okay? You can use any kind of spinach you can find. And I'm just going to cook this using, blanch this using hot water. Then I will combine all these 3 together, okay? So first thing first, I'm going to braise my mushroom because if not, your mushroom will not have much taste in it. Okay, Appa is going to fry my zai er today. I'm not exactly sure what's zai er in English, but anyway, don't make the oil too hot. You want somewhere around medium heated oil, which is somewhere around 140 to 150 degrees. And what you do is you don't want to see any smoke coming up. Okay, you put your chopstick inside and you start seeing bubble. This is the right. This is exactly the right temperature. Usually when you buy zai er, it comes in frozen state, yeah? You need to prepare some oil absorbing paper. At the side. Once you see your zai er absolutely bloom up, that's it is actually telling you it is ready. Okay, this is very fragrant. Okay, this is ready, the first one. I'm going to put it aside to let the oil render a bit. Then put to oil absorbing paper. Okay, second one should be ready. I should let it defrost. Maybe I shouldn't let it defrost. Next time I'm going to try to fry it when it is still frozen. Okay, take it out. I seldom cook this. Okay, so if you know what's the best way of deep frying this, you can just leave a comment in the comment section below to teach Appa. Okay, so I'm just going to continue frying the balance. Okay. Okay, I noticed one thing. If you don't want the zai to stick onto your pan or your frying wok, the oil must be very hot. Yeah, the oil must be very hot. Just now my oil is actually not hot enough, so it actually started to stick a little bit, but it's still very fragrant. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to start by using some flavored oil, which is my garlic oil. You can check from my channel how to make garlic oil easily. You can just use normal vegetable oil or normal peanut oil as well, no problem. I just want to enhance the flavor a little bit. And then I'm going to fry my mushroom for a while. Oh, I can smell my garlic oil already. It's very fragrant. Just fry a little bit. Okay, my chicken stock. We're going to braise our mushroom, okay? And here's my mushroom water. So when you hear me saying braise, I'm referring to light soya sauce, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and then I'm going to put in some oyster sauce as well. I just came back from my hometown and haven't been cooking for the past 9 days. My goodness, that's so long. Okay, a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Later, this braise will be the base of my gravy, yeah? Because I'm using chicken stock, so immediately it's very fragrant, and some more I'm using garlic oil. Okay, I'm going to put in some CNY. If you don't have CNY or you don't take alcohol, just omit this part. You don't need any replacement, don't worry. Okay, many people always ask me, Appa, what can I replace if I don't take alcohol? You don't have to replace anything, just don't use it, yeah? Okay, I'm going to bring this to a boil, after which I'm going to turn to about medium heat and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes before I continue, because I want to braise and to give it some flavor and into the mushroom. At the same time, I want to cook my mushroom. Okay, so it is now boiling. I'm going to cover this with a lid, and we will come back after 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, let's not waste any time. While waiting for the mushroom to be cooked, we are going to blanch the spinach. Prepare 1 hot boiling water. Then before putting in your spinach, we can actually put in a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. This will make your veggie looks greener. While it is still boiling, we can slowly put in the veggie inside, the spinach. Somehow, I find spinach actually tastes better with this particular dish. Maybe because you want something very soft. Spinach is actually very soft, and you can shape it. You can easily shape it when it is cooked. So we're just going to cook this for a couple of minutes. Not very long. I think the most is 2-3 minutes. Then we will take it out. Okay. Now some people worry about overcook the veggie. Now it really depends on people. Some people prefer it softer. Some people prefer it not too soft or crunchier. So it doesn't really matter. It's up to your family preference. Okay. So sorry about the light. My light ran off. I haven't been making video for the past 9 days. So batteries start wearing off. Okay, we'll come back shortly after it is boiling again. Okay. This is after about 2 minutes. Good enough. I'm going to take it out. Okay, I prefer my veggie a bit crunchier, yeah. Alright. So let's wait until our mushroom is almost done. Then we can actually start making the thicken up the broth, right? And combine all three together. Okay, this is after braising my mushroom for about 20 minutes. It is definitely cooked by now and it is extremely fragrant. Super fragrant. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Take out my mushroom. Later we are going to arrange it nicely. Okay. If you can, if you have the luxury of time, you can actually braise it for at least half an hour. It will taste even better. Okay. Today I'm actually in quite a rush. Okay. So we have the broth here. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt, followed by a little bit of sugar. Okay. And some white pepper. Alright. I'm going to starch it. So you can have about 2 teaspoons of starch powder, okay? Add in some water. Ooh, hot. Oops. Okay. Just now we want to thicken the soup, yeah? Thicken the gravy. Now I already off the fire. Oops, I accidentally took my baby's spoon. Okay. After off the fire, you can put in the starch solution. You can make it as thickened as you like, yeah? Usually I prefer mine is a little bit more saucy, yeah? You can make it a bit more thicker than this. Okay, so let's combine everything together. Move over to the side. Okay, so the professional way is to use a big bowl, combine all three together into 3 layers, then flip it over to the main plate. I'm not going to use that because the process of flipping over can be quite dangerous. So some of you may get hurt. Yeah, because there will be some hot sauce inside. Yeah, so I'm not going to flip. Instead, I'm just going to put it onto a big plate like this. Okay. So I have arranged. I've taken out the wooden pigs just now, and I put it onto the first layer here. Then second layer, we are going to put the blanched veggie. You can put any veggie you like, no problem. There's no law, yeah. There's no rule in Sapa kitchen. Remember, I haven't been saying this for quite a while. Okay. All right. All right. Then I'm going to put the mushroom on top. It will really looks better if you flip it, but dangerous. Alright, this can be another beautiful Chinese New Year dish for your family. Okay, and you don't want to forget about your. Let me adjust the angle. You don't want to forget about your gravy. Okay, let me zoom in for you. Okay, my gravy here. Okay, the thickened gravy, which is going to taste very good. All right. So here's my, I don't know what is this called, my vegetable dish. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.